Yeah, and that's why I don't like feet. Hold on, let me call you right back. Happy today, boy. I'm telling you, I got my hands on something I always say. If I ever get some money, I'm gonna get that shit. And I got it. Today, I got DBrand skin for my Razer Blade 15-inch. I always wanted one of these things. I always wanted a Razer Blade. I don't even use it for gaming, but I always wanted one. So today, we get to learn together because I ain't never put one of these shits on before. If you saw my last video, you already know I got the Razer Blade 15 with the NVIDIA RTX 2070 Max 4K OLED display. That's something else I said. As soon as I get some money, I'm gonna give me one of them. All right, let's get started. Out of the pack, it comes with this yellow purchase thing. It just lets you know that it's not a product, it's a culture. If you ever bought anything from DBrand, they got the rudest little responses, but that shit is so funny. I have the outer skeleton with the open trackpad and the open keypad. You can customize this in whatever way you want. You can customize it in any color. You can customize it in any type of pattern. I got mine in carbon fiber red. This is for the face of the actual laptop, carbon fiber red. It's got the place for the speakers on the side. It's got the place for the mouse pad. Basically, it's the trim for the keyboard. Tight. This looks like the cover for the top in carbon fiber black with the faceplate cut out. That lets you know it's Razer. Also tight. Got a little white cloth. Not exactly sure what that's for, but I'm keeping it regardless. Black cloth. I don't know what that's for. I'm gonna keep that too. Remember, if you saw my last video, I carry microfiber cloths in my camera bag, so even if this didn't come with it, I still had it covered. But I like the little touches on it. That's tight. It's the carbon fiber trackpad for the actual mouse pad on the computer. So can't wait to put this on. All right, put the top on first. This way. That's the top. Now, which sucks, I'm gonna have to take off my little RTX 2070 Max Q VR ready graphics, 8GB GDDR6 VRAM, 10th generation Intel Core i7 10750H processor, 6 cores, 12 threads, up to 5 GHz sticker off. That hurts. Oh, that hurts. Next is the inside. All right, that's the keyboard. If it's off, you can always take, from what I saw, a hairdryer and peel it off and go back and do it again, but this is good. And the last thing is the trackpad. All right, that's it. Got the top, got the keyboard, got the trackpad. That's it. How's it look? Let me know what you think. Leave a like on the video, share it with your friends for a second opinion. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button twice. I'm out.